This is the Granville Briefcase. So again, it has this cool AC2 or AC square fabric on the outside, water resistant zipper, and again, I keep saying, really this thing is pretty much waterproof as long as you don't leave a hole on the zipper in the front. The Briefcase is probably the least known product in this line. So the backpack everybody knows is 16 zip. The Courier 10 is also really popular. The Briefcase is really kind of cool, right? It has that tech look. I have the black version, which add to it. Very modern looking, highly functional, and it looks great going into work or a meeting with your VCs. There's some quirks, however, so let's go through them. The front has a zipper pocket. This pocket is not very deep, right? So it's about here to here. To illustrate, I have my little Kindle in the case, and it literally just fit in. So another use for this really maybe just as a quick dump pocket for smaller wallet and other smaller items. The key leash, this is a different design. It's a loop with hook, and I actually like that because this let me hook onto other things that I have instead of using this very small hook. And that's it for outside organization. Inside, the front wall, let's get into this, has two pretty large zippered mesh pocket, and they're great. Here, a little stretchy, so I have a small pouch here, and you can certainly put other loose items in there as well. On the back wall, there's a suspended laptop pocket, padded, not thickly, but it's padded, and my 13-inch MacBook Pro obviously fits in there. Larger laptops will not fit. There's this little elastic button setup to close it. I never really use it. They always have some kind of neat design thing in their back, so this is one of them. And then the front, another pocket, has a little bit of volume, great for a notebook. So that top half, front and back. And then the rest is again just a pretty large space, as you can see. My Air Slim pouch, my favorite tech pouch, but you can put quite a lot in the middle. Now, one thing about this bag is that if it's empty, I try to get it to stand still. Yeah, it doesn't quite stand. Some weight in the bottom, stands up, adding the notebook, starting to tilt to the back, adding the laptop, and then it's just going to fall into the back. So the way it's designed, it really encouraged me to put most of the weight in the back, which makes the back tip over, which I don't like, but you know, it is what it is. It is a small bag, so I'm not sure there's any other way to do this. Let's go to the back panel, or rather the leg up. So the back has no additional padding or anything else. It really is just like the front. The strap, it's on a swivel and it's detachable, which is kind of nice, so you can replace the strap with something else. The strap itself, it's adjustable on both sides, which I like, which means that you can position however you want to carry so that the thicker part is at the right position on your shoulder. However, this, it's kind of an interesting material. I don't know what it is, but it's not really padded. Again, maybe because the back is so small, it's not necessary, but I really wish they would have maybe the soft foam that is found on the 16 zip on here. That would make it nicer. There's one thing that's really annoying about this bag. Now I'm just going to show you by lifting this up. Because the attachment point, it's kind of low, and with the swivel setup, the back tends to swing a lot, right? So it goes off center like this, and it swings outward. So I guess if you have the bag with the heavy side towards you, then it's fine because your body is pushing against it. Otherwise, it just doesn't stand up absolutely straight when you're carrying it. So I just find it a little bit annoying, and that's probably my only complaint about this bag. Otherwise, it's a really good looking bag, functional. A little quick demo. One thing about why the bag is so well sealed, you can actually tell. After I close the bag, put it down, I can actually squish the air out slowly, right? So it is that well sealed. So now the air is just coming out of that little hole that I left in the beginning. So there you have it, the Granville briefcase.